What's up? Give this video a thumbs up because this video is exclusive right now. So me and this dude been talking for like ever since last night. He's engaged and I'm just doing this little prank on him. I'm just gonna keep it going, like, because like it's funny. Like, I'm going out with somebody, but he knows I'm doing it. So my boyfriend, I would never go out with him. Like, he looks like a fucking gold digger. Like, I mean, no, he's not a gold digger, but like he has a lot of money. But I still wouldn't be with him. Like, do you not know how many fucking rooms this nigga has? He has kids and everything. Just, oh my god, just let me go to his profile. So, he's Puerto Rican. He's married. He has about, what, 8 kids. He said he doesn't want a divorce, but I'm thinking he wants to take it to the next level. And like, he's just making me feel awkward a little bit because he says that I'm his twin, but like, you're smashing me and you're having sex with me, but whatever. Yeah, I want to eat you. Okay, so I woke up this morning. Oh shit, why am I going to the shop? Anyways, I woke up this morning. He gave me this huge fucking paragraph. It was actually really cute, but I just didn't think he was serious because, like, you have kids. Like, I mean, I understand you don't want to give up your whole life that you're living just for me, but he said, "Hey, good morning, baby. I miss you. I had fun meeting you last night, Barbie ass. Your ass better be a keeper, lol. LOL. You can't wait to see you today. I'm hyped for that, and I hope you got some sweet boo. If you didn't, you can come sleep at my mansion." Yeah, he has a huge mansion, and he's probably changing the room right now. Yep, this is his mansion, bruh. Go right ahead. Look how this nigga sounds, bro. Watch out for people like this, bruh. Like, I'm not even trying to flirt with this nigga, but like, I'm just trying to see how this is going. Like, you got a whole family ahead of you. You're over here sitting here having sex with me and shit. Have a nice day in paragraphs. I'm all about it. So I'm like, really? Are you really about it? Cause like, oh my god, like, bruh, it's kind of funny, like, cause he thinks I'm really into him. Like, so this is how we met. We met at this like club or whatever. We just started talking, and like, he was calling me his twin because we were both wearing some pink J's on. So these bitches get mad or some shit just because they think I'm finna get the dick. And the whole conversation, it was like we were flirting or whatever. And it was like, "Girl, you're stupid, but you're really pretty. So why are you fucking with this nigga that has a whole girlfriend?" Well, maybe because I just want to mess with him. Like, I can mess with this. Like, he has money and everything, but like, I wouldn't dare cheat on my boyfriend. So, but I'm just trying to see where this is going, and I'm just trying to meet his girlfriend, cause I'm trying to tell her some shit. Like, girl, do you not know he's cheating on you? And he told me that, I forgot what the fuck he said. I should have recorded it yesterday. But yesterday he said that, I'm gonna go to his pool. He got a fucking huge ass pool in the back. Anyways, he said yesterday that the reason why he's probably doing this is because his girlfriend, she's locked out of her page for like 8 days. Fuck, he just left. But yeah, she's not on her page right now for like 8 days because she wrote a meme or like a mood that was like nasty, I guess, and somebody reported the shit, and now she's not allowed to be back on for like 8 days. And I think I would be really hurt if I was divorced. I mean, if I was married to someone and they're really cheating on me behind my back, and I expected you not to cheat on me, But it's whatever, like, that's him. And he's been on here for a year. I've been on here for 2 years. So I know more stuff than whatever. But, like, this shit makes me nervous. Like, how long he's gonna keep this going? Like, how long do he think this is gonna keep going? And now he's offline. Yeah, but I was saying to him, like, I'm trying to be your only one, and I want you to break up with your girl, probably like before us get divorced, and play child support for his kids, but he's not going for it. And like, I told him I feel like I'm your side hoe and stuff like that, but like, he just, I don't know. And really, I'm just trying to keep it going. Like, I just want to know where this is finna end up to be, because I know he's finna get divorced soon if he finds out, if his girl finds out that he's fucking with me. But she's really never gonna find out unless we go somewhere together. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, we're at his house all the time. Like, this nigga thinks she's never gonna just find out. Like, the fuck? But whatever. This nigga got a whole girlfriend, but he's cute. Take his man, take her man. Yeah! Let me stop playing. But it's whatever. Like, I'm just trying to see where this is going, and I think when I'm gonna start recording here, but I'm gonna just tell you now, I think we're gonna have sex, and it's not gonna go well, because after this, bro, I'm finna see who's his girlfriend. Like, I'm gonna hunt down this dude's girlfriend. Like, when I know he's not wanting to meet up with me no more, like, that's how you know he's not wanting to fuck with me no more. And that's the day when I fucking report his fucking ass. And yeah, hold on, I did not like his ass. Ew. That nigga is ugly. I mean, you're okay, girl. You're okay, girl. Okay. Anyways, I'm gonna just stop it here, because I don't know when he's gonna come back online, and I just don't want y'all to wait. And you might see some nasty shit, because this nigga, he has like fucking 6 rooms. And I told him, what did he need 6 rooms for? He said, I don't know, I just like to have 6 rooms. And I'm like, whoa, okay. But I feel like he has them for his kids and his woman. And I feel like he's really rich. Like, but I would never cheat on Day. Like, Day is my boyfriend. Like, I would never do that. Like, me and Day had serious talks before. He does not play about me. Like, for real. But bye, y'all. And if you want, you can text him. You can do whatever. Like, I don't even care no more. Like, fuck this nigga. I already know he's not gonna talk to me no more after his stupid ass girlfriend gets back online. Like, that's some trifling ass shit that you did, but it's whatever, because you was married and you have 8 kids. Like, who does that? But you know, this is IMVU. Of course you're gonna cheat, and I probably would do the same if my boyfriend wasn't online for a couple of days, because I would feel like I'm getting no pussy or dick. Like, for real, just keep it 100. I'm not getting no dick out of it, so I'm just gonna go get me some dick. So I fetch me some motherfucking dick. Let me stop playing. But yeah, and my boyfriend's not online right now, but he would be pissed if I was in it. But I'm not telling him shit. I'm just gonna keep going with this shit. But this is the end of my video. If you want, you can add him. You can call him a fucking hoe, whatever. I don't care no more. Because I know this is not really my boyfriend, so I really don't care. And I really finna use this nigga fucking my gifts and shit. The fuck. But, cause this nigga's rich as fuck, and I could tell. Like, this nigga got a whole lot of everything on. But, you can see me whenever I make a new video. Subscribe and like this video for a thumbs up if you liked it. Thank you.